Hi class, how's it going? We are in week 2, second day of the week that we're going to be working out. We're going to focus on high intensity interval training, but before we get started, I got to introduce you to my coworkers. This is my They're helping me stay fit and active. I take them for lots of walks. We already went on a 2-mile walk today. All right, let's get into our activity. So high intensity interval training, the acronym is HIIT, H-I-I-T, and that stands for exactly high intensity interval training. It's a technique where you go all out as hard as you can in short bursts. So 100% effort, 20 seconds, 30 seconds at a time, and then you have short recovery periods after that. This type of training gets and keeps your heart rate up and burns more fat in less time. So you get more bang for your buck with the workout. With high intensity interval training, it increases your metabolism. You burn calories a lot faster. You're going through a high energy pace. It's quick and it's convenient. You don't have to work that long. So you can do a quick 10, 15, 20-minute burst of activity and get a benefit of working a longer, slower period of time. And of course, as always, you don't need any equipment as we do this. It's any do anywhere kind of workout. So no matter what space you have, you're inside, you're outside, you're in your room or in the garage or wherever, you want to try to do things within your own body space. You want to do it at 100% effort at all times. You want to have 30 seconds of rest in between and repeat this goal faster each time that you do it. So today's workout is a high intensity interval workout. It includes exercises from the Derby exercise library, which you have a link to in Classroom. My dog's bugging me and saying hi again. Break, time out. We gotta see this little dog. There he is. I'm sure all of you have people at home that little siblings or dogs or family that kind of gets in the way. Sometimes you just have to take a break and do what you can do. All right. You want to perform the exercises for 20 seconds at 100% effort, take a 30-second rest, and move on to the next exercise. After your last exercise, take a 90-second rest, and then repeat. The goal is to do 20 minutes of this activity. If it's nice, try to get outside as much as you can. The workout's going to look like this. Do your warm-up as always, then side-to-side hops, toe taps, jumps, skiers, and hop, heel clicks. If you're not sure what these are, again, you can hover over them. You can go into the Derby workout, see what it is. It's probably a new activity for most of you, so you're jumping and doing hop, heel clicks as you get into your activity. So again, if you're not quite sure what it looks like, go ahead and click on that. And again, 20 seconds of activity, 100% effort. That's the goal. Go as hard as you possibly can, and you're going to repeat things. Get that 20 minutes of workout, your heart rate's up, you're getting your strength too, but it's that high intensity interval training that's really going to help you and get that heart rate up. I hope you guys are doing well. We'll keep going, keep plugging away. All right, take care. Have a good day.